If you ever get a chance to visit Washington State, we have a tourist attraction that not many people know about. And that would happen to be bridges that are floating. It's actually kind of fun driving across these bridges. There are 3 of them. This first bridge actually crosses Puget Sound. The water's pretty rough up there, so you have to be careful about when the bridge is open or not. The next bridge crosses Lake Washington. However, I don't recommend this bridge. You have to deal with the toll troll. This troll's name is Washington State. If you drive across it, they will send you a bill in the mail charging you a lot of money. And your guess is as good as mine as to how they're managing to do that, because this was a previously built bridge. Finally, the last bridge is I-90. It also crosses Lake Washington, and since it crosses Mercer Island, which is where all the rich people live, there are some pretty cool tunnels built to keep the traffic noise down so we don't bother them as we commute. Alright, enough talk. Let's drive across these things. First, let's hit the Hood Canal Bridge. We're currently driving westbound. Let's also speed the video up to 2 times its normal speed. Next, let's hit the I-90 floating bridge. And I saved the worst for last, the 520 floating bridge. Well, thanks for watching.